Hey, what's up guys? Welcome to another video. Today's song is on Please Me by Cardi B and Bruno Mars, and it's on the guitar, so let's get started. Alright, so for this tutorial, majority of the song is the same. So what you're playing in the verse and the chorus are the same chords and strumming, and then the only exception is going to be the bridge, which we're also going to learn towards the ending. So let's start off with the basics and learn the chords for this song. So the first chord is a B minor 7. The second chord is a C sharp 7. And then an F sharp minor. And the last chord is an F sharp. So B minor 7, C sharp 7, F sharp minor to an F sharp. So I'll show you guys the example of the strum pattern using these chords, and then we'll get right into learning it. So the strum pattern I'm going to be using is a down, up, 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 down, up. So I'll play it a few times at a slow pace so that you guys can follow along with the chords and the strum pattern on the screen. Another part you're going to hear in this song is going to be this ending right here, so I'll play it again. So it's going to be 4 down strums of F sharp minor, and then the picking. So let's put it together with the chords. Alright, so now we're going to learn how to play the bridge. For the bridge, we're going to learn 3 new chords. So the chords we're using is going to be a B minor 7 to a C sharp minor 7. And this next chord is going to be a D sharp minor 7 flat 5 chord. So you can kind of get used to that shape. And then when you move your pointer over, you make a D major 7, which is the next chord. And then lastly is the C sharp 7. So we're going to be using the same strum pattern that we've been using. So I have the chords and the strum pattern on the screen. So that's pretty much the whole bridge right there. I'm going to have the lyrics and the chords on the screen. You guys can play along and sing with it. Thanks again guys for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel and give this video a thumbs up, and I guess I'll see you guys on the next one.